Oh, have you heard of, are you bored with your regular engines that don't work? Well, here, the engines I've created. Voila! Introducing the ball go up the stairs engine. There's two little balls that have faces. Named Angerman. The angry ball, he's silly, and he's goofy ball. They have to get up the stairs without falling. You'll be watching.
How do they go upstairs instead of just go downstairs?
Well, because you can see those are what make them go up.
Oh, very cool. Very cool. Uh-oh, we got a casualty. There we go. So it's almost like the opposite of how a real combustion engine works.
And this is how it always works.
Are those the pistons, kind of?
Yes.
All right.
They are.
Let's see what's inside that. Oh. So then this is the crankshaft. Okay.
And these are the blocks. Came with it. But if you didn't know this, there's one block that is not like the other blocks. This one is here. It's this way.
Oh,
this
is
way.
it's slanted?
And this way.
Oh, it's slanted in two ways. Okay.
Yeah. So it's like trying something in the block.
And it can only go in one place. Can you put it anywhere? Okay.
Like this. So then you have to put this in. Then this. Then this. If they're not the right order, this won't work. So
Oh,
that's how it goes up the stairs.
awesome. All right, ready to sign off?